Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your GMC Sierra tail light. First, gather your tools, like a Phillips head screwdriver and the new tail light assembly. Make sure your truck is turned off and parked securely. You'll need to find the 2 or 3 retaining screws on the inside edge of the tail light housing. These are usually visible and easily accessible. Once you've located them, use your screwdriver to remove the 2 or 3 retaining screws. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will reuse them. After the screws are out, carefully pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the truck's body. It might be a little snug. Then, twist and pull to disconnect the electrical connectors from the individual bulbs. Now, take your new tail light assembly. Connect the electrical wiring harnesses to the corresponding bulbs on the new unit. Make sure each connection is firm and secure. Carefully align the new tail light assembly with the mounting holes on your GMC Sierra. Gently push it into place until it sits flush against the vehicle's body. Reinsert and tighten the 2 or 3 retaining screws. With the new tail light installed, it's crucial to test all its functions. Turn on your truck and check the brake lights, both left and right turn signals, and the reverse lights. Have someone help you verify these. Also, give the new assembly a gentle tug to ensure it's securely fastened and won't vibrate loose. Finally, properly dispose of your old tail light and any packaging.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.